enye generation itshala isihlahla, enye generation ithamela umthunzi waloso sihlahla. Bengikhuluma kakhulu ngokuthi yini esoyishiya nabantwana bethu ukuze bavikele noma ibe umthunzi kubo. Lapho uSathane ephume khona with all forces ukudestroya abantwana bethu. We need to create umthunzi for bona. Sidinga ukuba createla into ezobavikela. Ngakhuluma ngokuthi even us sibenefita from imthunzi yabazali yogogo bethu. Kunezinto abasi-influencer ngazo, kunezinto abasifundisa zona, kunezinto esiphila ngazo namhlanje ngenxa ukuthi zazitshalwe abazali bethu. So ngabuza ukuthi yini wena njengomzali oyitshalayo noma ozoyishiyela abantwana bakho ukuze bakwazi ukuthi basurvive kulesizukulwane. Ngakhuluma ngokuthi abantwana uNkulunkulu bonke ubabizele ukuthi bahloniphe abazali babo. Abantwana bayisibusiso esivela kuNkulunkulu. So namhlanje into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi thina-ke njengabazali iziphi indlela uNkulunkulu asinike zona noma athi abantwana bethu asibaphathe ngazo. So we continue to read incwadi yama-Ephesians chapter 6 verse number 1 kuya ku verse number 4. Today we're focusing on verse number 4. Lawo lithi khona iBhayibheli, nani boyise ningabathukuthelisi abantwana benu, kodwa nibondle ngokuyala nangokuqondisa kwenkosi. Nge-English lithi do not provoke your children. Ngamanye amazwi ungenzi into ezoba discourage empilweni yabo yonke, ezobenza ukuba babe frustrated empilweni yabo. So ngizomenshina nje just a few points ezinto esizenzayo njengabazali othola ukuthi ekugcineni zigcina ziba discourage abantwana bethu noma zigcina ziba provoke. Kwesinye isikhathi uzuthola engathi abantwana abathandi ukuba seduze kwabazali babo, kanti ngenxa yokuthi indlela mina njengomzali umntwana wami engimphethe ngayo. So ipoint yami yokuqala ithi ukuba overprotective. You know ukuthi umntwana kufanele umbiyele ngayo yonke indlela. Make sure uyamprotect umntwana wakho, but sometimes we become overprotective. Kanjani na? Angikhulumi la ngezinto ezibad. Khona izinto ezifo sure ukuthi umntwana wami nje I make sure ukuthi I protect him kulozo zinto. Like I'm protecting him from alcohol, from drugs. I make sure he have right friends. I make sure he don't get bad influence. Ngikhuluma nje ngezinto zokuphila noma ezingamkhulisa empilweni. So ukuba overprotective sometimes kuyabanga ukuthi abantwana bethu bangazithembi noma abantwana bethu sometimes we don't give them enough opportunity ukuthi babe developed. Into yoku overprotector abantwana bakho, to overprotect abantwana bakho in such a way ukuthi awubaniki lento yokuthi uyabathemba, awubaniki lento yokuthi impilo bazobhekana nayo ngelinye ilanga ngokwabo, awubaniki leyo opportunity ukuthi bazidevelope ukuthi bakwazi ukuphila independently. Because ukhuluma iqiniso njengabazali, we're not going to be there always for abantwana bethu. So we must be careful ukuthi singa create abantwana esizothi masidlule emhlabeni uthola ukuthi they are left and then benza izinqumo ezi-wrong ngenxa ukuthi asibanikanga leya opportunity ukuthi bazikhulise noma bakwazi ukuthi bazimele ngokwabo. La ngikhuluma like general ngama-drugs no-alcohol. Khona izinto vele complete njengomzali okumele umbiyele umntwana wakho ngayo yonke indlela, but khona izinto ezizomsiza umntwana wakhe empilweni ukuthi akwazi ukuba independent, akwazi ukuzimela ngokwabo. So kubalekile ukuthi unga overprotect. Protect your child but don't overprotect umntwana wakho, umncincelela thuba leliyana lokuthi azidevelop. Okwesibili okwenza abantwana bethu baba abantwana uthola ukuthi bayasithuthelela ngelinye ilanga ilento yokuma favoritism, ukuthi la ekhaya kunabantwana noma kunomntwana othandwa kakhulu omunye akathandwa kakhulu. Abantwana bayisipho sikaNkulunkulu bonke. Abantwana ke uNkulunkulu esiphe bona abafani. Kuzoba nalowo talented, kuzoba nalona uthola ukuthi khona la ngaphiwe khona. Uthola ukuthi uthando oluningi luyakulona, mhlawumbe ofundile, mhlawumbe ogood entweni ethile, mhlawumbe o talented. Then if you start to compare them, always ngconywa phakanyiswa lo omunye yedwa, the other child will end up getting discouraged. abe resentful la kuthola ukuthi uyazama ukuzihoxisa ngaso sonke isikhathi akafuna ukuba involve noma uba bitter okungenza futhi sometimes ugcine kuxabana zona zodwa ingane uthola ukuthi ingane azikhulumisani noma asenakho lokwakuzwana because you always praising one child emndenini kuzoba ilento lena yokudiscourage abantwana ukubatshela ukuthi ngeke babe yilutho khona umzali njengathi ngidlula ngakomunye umuntu wathi uyislima kabi nje wena ayikho into eright oyenzayo khona amazwi really angafinisha noma angaqeda ngengane zethu angenza ingane zethu like zibe naloko thukuthela against us in future because ayikho into okwamncoma ayikho into akayenze ngisho enza into enhle awukazi umncoma uthi mntanami waze wenza kahle awukazi umreward awukazi umone you always destroying you always like finishing and umntwana onjalo he ends up ehamba eyofuna iapproval kwabanye abantu uthola ukuthi akasafuna ukuba sekhaya ufuna ukuba monda abangani bakhe because abangani bakhe bayamvuma ngasonke isikhathi hey bayamncoma entweni azenzayo hey right bayamvuma isikhokho so uthola ukuthi lapha ekhaya mayefika no one is encouraging him is always wrong akukho kuhle othola ukuthi uyakwenza okunye futhi okubanga ukuthi abantwana bethu bagcina besithukuthelela ngelinye ilanga ukubanikeza yonke into abayifunayo i-dangerous lento yokunikeza ingane sabathe ingane yakhala ifuna into ethile iyanikezwa ifuna lokho iyanikezwa even you can afford izinto ukunikeza abantwana bakho but kunesikhathi la khona umntwana okumele ungamniki la kusweet mangabe ingane zami izongicela usweet kumele ngizinike usweet every day no ngokwazi okumele ngizinike mazicabanga zona but ngokuthi ngumzali ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento i-unhealthy noma izo-affect i-health yakhe if ngihlala njalo ngimnikeza into ewusweet so if loyo attitude-ke isizoyifaka kubantwana bethu ukuthi yonke into oyifunayo siyanginika he will grow up and uzothola umsebenzi uthola ukuthi kupronyotha omunye umuntu akapronyotha yena uzo-acta kanjani yonke into yena udeserva uyena uthola ukuthi ushela intombazane la intombazane mhlawumbe iyanqaba noma intombazane mhlawumbe iyanqaba ukulala naye then uthola ukuthi use-forceful noma uyifuna ngenkani into ezikanjalo zizakheke ebumncaneni ukuthi yonke into lo muntu ayifunayo beyithola and then mase uthola ukuthi khona isikhathi la khona engayitholi into ayifunayo agcina umuntu ofosayo kanti impilo ke ezukhula ayidili nawe njengomzali idila nawe ngomthetho uzophelela ejele like umthetho umile amaphoyisa awazi ukuncenga njengoba usuku uncenga oma wakho sometimes azoma nakubophe shabalala ifuture yakho ngenxa yalento yokuhluleka ukuthi akuyona yonke into ekumele siyinike umntwana akuyona yonke into efanele umntwana wakho okunye kuhle but akusho ukuthi akube khona emntwaneni every time enye into ukuneglect abantwana bethu one of the things ezenzekayo kakhulu I will say to preachers like kulabo abashumayela izwi kaNkulunkulu you find them they spend more time nengane zabanye abantu bekhulisa ingane zabanye abantu besiza ingane zabantu ezinye spiritual uthola ukuthi they neglect their children they neglect abantwana babo and then abantwana bayakhula kangezwe omunye umfana ethi ubaba is always helping other children akasinakile thina you see the pain oyenza kubantwana bakho don't neglect them be involved in their life like kube khona ngasonke isikhathi empilweni yabo lento yokumake ama sacrifice for abantwana bethu enye yezinto ezibalekile ukuba available for them sometimes we demand a lot kubantwana ukuthi ufuna 1 no 2 no 3 but you're not there you're not involved you don't sacrifice isikhathi sakho ukuthi ube nabo abantwana bakho so these are the points nje are on the negative side noma negative prospects like where ngifocusa khona entweni engamele uzenze kuvideo lendelayo so focusa more entweni engimele uzenze so lalithi ningabathukuthelisi abantwana benu ningakwenzi lokho but lithi kodwa nibondle ngokuyala nangokuqondisa kwenkosi so we're still on Ephesians chapter number 6 verse number 4 la sifunde khona ukuthi boyise ningabathukuthelisi abantwana benu that was a negative aspect izinto ekuthiwa singazenzi ezabazali So today we're gonna carry on sifunde ukuthi ikuphi okupositive noma kumele sikwenze ngokwaNkulunkulu. Lithi iBhayibheli kodwa nibondle ngokuyala nangokuqondisa kwenkosi. Lithi nge-English, do not provoke your children to anger. Bring them up in discipline and instruction of the Lord. Masikhuluma ke ngediscipline noma lela gama elithi ukuyala lisho ukuthi you training your children, you involve ama-rules, kuba nemithetho umntwana ekumele abe nayo. Le mithetho le kumele uyi-enforce noma imithetho ekumele yenzeke kulo mntwana. Njengomzali imithetho yala ekhaya ekumele lo mntwana ayenze, right? Lo mntwana ekhona ukuyenza le mithetho, balekile ukuthi njengomzali umkhuthaze, umreward, right? Noma mayengenzi kahle kumele umphanishe, right? Not abuse, ungizwe kahle, umphanishe, right? Lokho kuzomfundisana kumntwana, kuzomfundisa ukuthi always when you violate noma when you do wrong, there are consequences. Uzokhule nakho ukwazi ukuthi ukwenza wrong kuba nemphumela emibi. Ukujoin i-friendship wrong kunemphumela emibi. Ukujoin ubugebengu kunemphumela eminingi. But you train him from the young age ukuthi always when you do wrong, there's going to be consequences. That is a law of life. Kuyimthetho wasemhlabeni odalwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi always when you do wrong, you get punishment. When you do right, you need to get a reward. So now, lithi discipline them and instruction, right? Lithi ngesizulu ngokuyala nangokuqondisa. Lela gama ke instruction, it's where ukufaka engqondweni yomntwana. It's where you teaching him. It's where you training him engqondweni ukuthi ila khona ukuthi akwenziwa kanje. Lento izokulimaza lana. Khona izinto where you need really ukuthi ucela uNkulunkulu njengomzali. Like I don't believe ukuthi umntwana mshayela into ongazange umfundise yona. Like umntwana sesithi uyisiglass phansi. If you teach him ukuthi mntwana, when you holding something a fire, hold it carefully. Uyibambe ngendlela yokuthi ube careful ukuthi ingawi. Kube khona izinto ezamaphutha kumntwana. Uthola ukuthi hayi kube yiphutha. It's not something that you ongayi big deal ukuthi ngaze kwenzeke something. But we need to train them. This thing of punishing or discipline them is ekugcineni usumtrainile umntwana, umfundisi ukuthi okay kwenziwa kanje, wenza kanje, wenza kanje. But okubalekile kakhulu okumele ukukhumbula uNkulunkulu akushoyo uthi nibondle ngokuyala nangokuqondisa kwenkosi. In other word, umzali uyadinga ukuthi wazi uNkulunkulu. Uyadinga ukuthi utrain noma udiscipline abantwana bakho noma uinstruct abantwana bakho ngendlela kaNkulunkulu nangendlela uNkulunkulu asho ngayo. You need to be filled of the Spirit, controlled by the Spirit, not anger in your emotions, because that can cause more hurt nokuba kusiza. When you treat them, when you discipline abafana bam, I sit them down, boys, I don't like to do this, but I need to discipline you because uNkulunkulu uthi angini-discipline. That was wrong. Angimele wenze 1 or 2 or 3 ngeke uyibuka iTV for isikhathi esingaka. You see? But it's something that I need to be controlled noma ngilawulwe umoya kaNkulunkulu. So these are just the words of encouragement to our families. Let's love our children. Let's laugh with our children. Asithanda amakhosikazi ethu phambi kwabantwana bethu. Let the love like be irule imizi yethu. uKristu abe yisenta yemndeni yethu. uNkulunkulu akabusise, abusise nemndeni yenu, abusise nezizukulwane zezizukulwane. Amen.